In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can enable or disable full screen optimization on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So if you're going to open an app, let's say for example Chrome, make a right click, okay? Right click and then select open file location. Now here, once you open the Google Chrome, make a right click again and then you have to select properties. Now click on this option compatibility tab and here you can find the option disable full screen optimizations. So if you want to disable it, simply check this option. If you want to enable it, simply uncheck this option. And then you have to click on apply and then click on OK. Usually if you're going to disable full screen optimizations, that will improve the performance of the program. Okay. And for the second method is through the registry editor. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type regedit. Click on Registry Editor under the best match. Simply follow me for the path we are going to navigate. Click on HK Current User. Click on the arrow to expand. Now locate System. Click on that. Click on the arrow to expand. Then you have to click on Game Config Store. Then on the right pane, make a right click and then select New. Select the word 32-bit value. Now you have to name this capital GAME, capital DVR underscore DSEB small HAVIOR. Game DVR underscore DSC behavior. Okay, the same thing as what you can see on the screen. No spaces in between. Then double click. Change the value data to 0 hexadecimal base if you're going to disable the full screen optimization. Change the value data to 2 if you're going to enable the full screen optimization. Okay, so that's it. And you just have to restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.